Let's start with first writing. Include stdio.h, include conio.h, void main, which is our main library function, clear screen, and get ch. Now we are going to make the user defined data type struct book. Character title of string 30. Character author of 20 string. Int pages, float, price, and now we are declaring our book name start. Let's print the information to take it input from user. Printf, enter the title of book. Scanf to take input from user, %s, ampersand, start, dot, title. Again printf to print information. Enter the name of author. Or the author name. Scanf, %s, ampersand, start, %s, start, dot, author. Just like this, we will print all information and take a input from user by writing scanf. Enter the name, number of pages. Scanf, %d, and ampersand title dot pages. Printf, enter the price, scanf, %f, ampersand, start dot float. Let's take a look on output. Control. Enter the title, start, enter the author name John, enter the number of pages 260, enter the price 200.